On this page, you can view any hand you've ever played on Advanced Poker Training. Every hand you play is automatically saved to your own private online database for as long as you're a member. This page will help you find the hands you're interested in. At the top, you can see various statistics for the hands currently being displayed, which changes based on the filters you select below. If you want to find out more about a particular stat, just hover over the question mark to get more information. Here, you can choose from a variety of filters to limit the hands that are displayed. There are many different filters available, but here are some examples. You could click here to display only hands where you raised pre-flop. You could use this drop-down if you only wanted to display hands that you played in a sit-and-go tournament. Suppose you only wanted to see hands you played from the blinds. You could select that here. What if you only wanted to see hands where you were dealt ace-king or ace-queen? You could enter that here, with a comma separating them. You can combine as many filters as you want, and then once you're finished selecting your filters, click Submit. Now you will see a list of all hands that match the criteria you chose. If you want to see more than 25 at a time, use this drop-down. For each hand, you have the option to tag that hand, which means put it into a category. Tags are important because you can filter on them to help you easily find this hand in the future. For example, here I'll tag this hand Review. That will remind me to look at it again later. Next, you can make notes on a hand. I'll type a description here about what I wanted to review about this hand. As you can see here, when I come back to this hand in the future, I'll be able to hover over this symbol and see my note. So notes are great to use in tandem with the tag feature. You can view a replay of any hand with this button. And you can post any hand to our Shared Hands forum to get feedback from other members. You can select multiple hands using these checkboxes, or even you can select all hands with the Select All button. Once you've done that, you can use the buttons at the bottom of the table to delete hands, view a replay of all of them, or share the hands with your friends via email or Facebook. Finally, this drop-down lets you pick an advisor to make suggestions during your replay. If you have multiple pages of hands, these numbered buttons here will allow you to select from the various pages. Remember, if you haven't done so yet, be sure to get your All Access Pass so you'll have access to all these great features. Now start training and get ready to ignite your game.